You ever get tired of fighting?
No, can't. The moment I'm tired, I lose. And me is not a loser, you know. Born winner, man. So I go and fight. Better days are forward, you know. You understand? So I don't even ask no questions. I don't complain. There I go and fight.
Viewers and subscribers, that is what I want to hear, viewers and subscribers. That is what I want all of the young youths them and the young girls them and everybody in Jamaica to know and just think that certain way, the viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? Because we watch it at the end of the day. You don't know the race is not for the swift, but those who can endure. And remember, I tell you, 7 times fall and 7 times rise again, viewers and subscribers. So in everything we are going to have obstacles and we are going to have things and blockage, viewers and subscribers. But just know that persistence, you understand what I mean, is the key. And at the end of the day, we have to always just be persistent at where we are going. And just know, say, viewers and subscribers, we have to fight feet. So that is it. So this is Dancehall Artist, Nation Boss, Reggae Artist, also viewers and subscribers. So just tell me on the thing down into the comment section, people. Also, you don't know how we do it already, viewers and subscribers. Just subscribe to the channel. Also, click the bell icon so that you can get notified. Yeah, give this video a like also, yeah, and just make we kick it off like a ball. So what's up, people? Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning into another video. Also thank you all for the support that you all been giving Flava Media Entertainment TV. So coming up in this video, people, promoters and the surgery community is upset with dancehall artist Spice. Also most people are having doubts based on everything that is going on and taking place in the media. So stay tuned for more upon that, viewers and subscribers. Also female dancer Dyema attitude. Well, people, news has been circulating the internet that she do her body, etc. So stay tuned for more of that also, people. But anyways, you know the drill already. We are gonna just jump in at the intro and come right back to the stories them. So don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
People, the surgeon community in the Dominican Republic is upset with dancehall artist Spice because of the fake apologies that was posted on her Instagram page a couple days ago, stating that she is just apologizing to promoters, etc., and also stating that a sepsis illness caused all of this. Well, people, fans and promoters are not buying that, etc. Yeah, they are not buying that story and saying that all of this is not true, and said that the dancehall artist did not write that post, and also said that there is a lot of red flags in that post, viewers and subscribers. Even a couple days ago, before all of this had happened, Spice posted on her Instagram page stating that she is going to be off social media for a while. So people, this is kind of look tricky in some way. So people is kind of skeptical about all of this that is going on with the dancehall artist, and also stating that her booking agency is also not credible. Yeah, because you don't know, say them come at the first time at the beginning and I say everything is good with the dancehall queen and that nothing no wrong with her overall, viewers and subscribers, and she wasn't in a coma nor a heart attack, etc., which everybody know that is a lie, because it was confirmed that she was in a coma for 36 hours, people. You see me I say? So people, when you look on that and analyze it, we won't really take from it, viewers and subscribers. But basically, people, enough people are say all of this is not true and it is just a publicity stunt. Promoters are also upset because them affair really, I postpone them show. The surgery community is not pleased with the information that is given, saying that it is misleading, etc. And enough people are say, yeah, it is true and Spice really sick, and why should I come and do something like this, because you can't fake sickness, etc., etc. But viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think down into the comment section. Share your opinions. But people, as I said before, if all of this is really true and the dancehall artist is really sick, etc., Yeah, you don't know. We just wish the dancehall artists a speedy recovery, no doubt. And if all of this is not true, well, you don't know what's in the dark must come to light, and we must know, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? But it is not really right if all of this is really true, because at the end of the day, you know, say promoters feel it, etc. Worse, yeah, deceive the public, etc. But you know, at the dancehall artists, them style this at the end of the day, if you do, yeah, you know, a publicity stunt, and you know, when they want to put out a new album, a new music, etc. Viewers and subscribers. So all we have to do is just stay tuned, and believe me, all will be revealed, people, and then you can make suggestions, yes, etc. So you don't know the thing, viewers and subscribers. So now, people, in this other news, female dancer Dyema attitude, yeah, you don't know, there is a little thing circulating on the internet that, yeah, you don't know, she got the Dominican Republic, go do her body, etc. Yeah, people, I have to just give you the updates if you understand what I mean, yeah, and somebody spot her there, etc. But people, also she posted a couple new pics on her Instagram page. Yeah, she deleted most of her recent pictures and before videos, etc. And I just want to tell you that, viewers and subscribers, yeah, she really looked like she did her body, etc. overall, people. But I can't show you those pictures, etc. due to the YouTube community guideline policies, viewers and subscribers. If you don't want to see the pictures, them people, just run over to her Instagram page at Dyema_attitude. Yeah, people, and you will definitely see for yourself. But I not really like, viewers and subscribers. It look good to me. You understand what I mean? But at the end of the day, you don't know, say, we don't really like the artificial thing as man, etc., especially Jamaican man. Some man do like it, some man don't, viewers and subscribers. Tell me what is your thoughts down into the comment section, if you really like them, something they are, you're okay with it or not okay with it, etc. people. But at the end of the day, you don't know, everybody do them body now. It's right now, it is like, it's the in thing, yeah. You don't know if it really show a certain image, etc., etc. But you don't know, we don't really like the artificial. You don't know, we like the natural overall, viewers and subscribers. But everybody don't share the same views. This is just my views. Your views may be different from mine overall. But yeah, the dancers done her body overall and etc. So you know, there's a big buzz on the internet about it. So people, I implore you to go and check it out whenever you can, etc. and just tell me what you think about this down into the comment section. So now, people, me have a video where I want to watch. Me I gonna make you take it in, and I want to tell me what you think about what it's brother I say in this video, viewers and subscribers. Also remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell so that you can be first to be notified whenever I upload any new content. So people, peace, I'm out. Check out the video.
And close to them, I got work and get fired for 3 months. I mean, a girl there. She work on a call center, and the girl left me every morning time in my bed and Tamari, so can I go work? She said, no, Tamari, the taxi will come. Every morning the girl make her man come pick her up.
And she a taxi.
And she gone, the man gonna keep the man baby. And man gonna work. After 5, the girl got half a chair. I said, Tamari, wait. Her friend looked for me one day and said, she not work this again. She stopped, she resigned about 3 months now.
But she still have to work, yo.
And she still got work in a dog.
Yeah. Oh, come.
So we get up now. And me, if you get up now in my 27 age, if you get up and about me, just female.